In a quiet kitchen, at midnight, the fridge holds secrets. A lone pizza slice waits inside the cold fridge. The fridge light flickers, waking up the silent kitchen. Hungry snacks come alive, eager for the midnight feast. A cookie, soda can, and jelly cup join the chase. Straws become swords. Napkins are parachutes for snacks. They battle with kitchen tools under fridge's cold glow. Each snack wants the pizza, their ultimate prize at stake. Fights break out. Teams are formed in the chilly arena. Chaos ensues as they scramble to grab the slice. The fridge door opens suddenly, adding to the suspense. A hand reaches in, disrupting their frantic pursuit. Snacks freeze in shock, witnessing the chaos unfold. The hand offers the slice to the dog with delight. The dog sniffs, turns away, uninterested in the prize. Disappointed snacks resign to return to their cold home.